All right, let's get to work. Male athlete model, standing in a clean, minimalist gym or home space. Calm, determined expression. Slow motion shot of the athlete preparing. On-screen text. Full body workout for beginners. Today, we're going to build a stronger, leaner body. This is a full body routine designed for absolute beginners. We'll build strength and burn fat at the same time. You don't need any equipment. All you need is your own body weight and the decision to start. We will focus on slow, controlled, and low-impact movements. This makes the workout safe and effective. Let's begin with a proper warm-up. 0, 26, 01, 45. Scene. Athlete performs each warm-up exercise. Visuals. On-screen timer for each movement, 30 seconds. On-screen text for each exercise name. First, we have arm circles. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Extend your arms out to the sides. Begin making small circles forward. Keep your movements smooth and controlled. After 15 seconds, we'll reverse the direction. This warms up the shoulder joints. Now reverse the circles, moving backward. Focus on your breathing. Next, torso twists. Keep your feet planted. Gently twist your upper body from side to side. Allow your arms to swing naturally. We're waking up the core and spine. Don't force the movement, just a gentle, rhythmic twist. Let's move to leg swings. Hold onto a wall or chair for balance if you need to. Swing one leg forward and backward. Keep the motion fluid. This opens up the hips. After 15 seconds, we'll switch legs. Okay, switch to the other leg. Same controlled swing, forward and back. Finally, we'll do some light bodyweight squats. Feet shoulder width apart. Lower your hips down and back as if sitting in a chair. Go as low as you comfortably can. Then, push through your heels to stand back up. We're preparing the legs and glutes for the work ahead. Warm-up is complete. Let's get into the main workout. Athlete demonstrates each exercise with perfect form. Rest periods show the athlete taking deep breaths. Main workout. On-screen text for exercise name, reps, time, and form cues. We have 5 exercises. We'll do each one for 45 seconds, followed by a 15-second rest. We will complete 2 full rounds. Our first exercise is the glute bridge. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your arms by your sides. Push through your heels and lift your hips toward the ceiling. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Hold for a moment, then slowly lower your hips back down. Control the entire movement. Don't rush it. Feel the muscles in your glutes and hamstrings working. Rest for 15 seconds. Breathe. Next up, push-up negatives. If you're a beginner, perform these on your knees. Start in a high plank or knee plank position, hands directly under your shoulders. Now very slowly lower your chest toward the floor. Take at least 3 to 5 seconds to go down. Once your chest touches the floor, just rest and push yourself back up to the start position however you can. The focus is on that slow, downward phase. This builds the strength needed for a full push-up. Rest for 15 seconds. Third, we have the bodyweight squat. We did this in the warm-up, but now we focus on depth and form. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes pointing slightly out. Keep your chest up and your back straight. Lower your hips down and back. Drive through your heels to return to the starting position. Quality over quantity. Each repetition should be identical. Rest for 15 seconds, deep breaths. Exercise 4 is the plank. Get into position on your forearms and toes. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core. Don't let your hips sag or rise too high. Just hold this position. If it's too difficult, you can drop to your knees. Focus on keeping everything tight. Rest for 15 seconds. We have one more exercise in this circuit. Our final exercise is bird dog. Start on all fours, with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Keep your back flat. Extend your right arm straight forward and your left leg straight back at the same time. Pause, then slowly return to the start. Now, switch sides. Extend your left arm and right leg. This is a fantastic exercise for core stability and balance. Great work. That's one round done. We'll take a 60-second rest, and then we'll do it all one more time. Get some water if you need it. Athlete performs the second round with the same timing and cues. Voiceover is minimal or silent with on-screen text leading the way. 0731, 09 to 15. Scene. Athlete performs gentle stretches on a mat. Visuals. Calm, relaxing music begins. On-screen text. Cool down. Excellent job. The hard work is done. Now we need to cool down properly to help our muscles recover. First, the quad stretch. Stand and hold on to something for balance. Grab your right foot and gently pull your heel toward your glute. You should feel a stretch in the front of your thigh. Hold for 20 seconds. Now slowly release and switch to the left leg. Next, the hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor with one leg straight out and the other bent with the sole of your foot against your inner thigh. Gently lean forward over the straight leg until you feel a stretch. Don't bounce. Just hold. Hold for 20 seconds. Let's switch sides. Now for the chest stretch. Stand in a doorway or near a wall. Place your forearm on the frame, elbow bent at 90 degrees. Gently step forward until you feel a stretch across your chest and shoulder. Hold for 20 seconds. Then, switch arms. Finally, child's pose. Kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels, and fold forward, resting your forehead on the ground. Reach your arms out in front of you. Take deep, slow breaths. Relax your entire body. 0916. 10. Sagoulant sirens. Scene. Athlete stands up, looking directly at the camera. A calm, accomplished expression. Visuals. Clean, minimalist background. On-screen text, you did it. And that completes our workout. You should be proud of what you've accomplished today. You've taken a significant step toward building a stronger, healthier body. Consistency is the key to seeing results. Aim to do this routine 2 to 3